What's going on, guys? Tube Sock Steve here, and we're giving away a spring kit and getting you guys hyped for all the new Polaris Turbo S parts. We're gonna be giving away a complete dual rate spring kit for free. All you have to do is go on your Facebook or your Instagram and post a picture of your Turbo S and telling us why you need a shock therapy dual rate spring kit. The third and final step you have to do is use the hashtag ShockTherapy2019 and post it to your social media. 3 steps! 1, all you have to do is post picture to Instagram or Facebook. 2, tell us why you deserve the spring kit for your Turbo S. And 3, hashtag ShockTherapy2019. You're gonna add that in right there, okay?
What's crossing our ways tonight?